movie Boom talks about three models: Padma Lakshmi, Madhu Sakre, and Katrina Kaif. And they're involved in a bank robbery, and they actually got the diamonds. And there were other characters, like he was the kingpin, Big B. He was known as Bade Mia, and under him was Zinat Aman, who used to report to her and report to him, and he was even involved in the flesh trade in Dubai. So there's also a scene, you can say hilarious. There are girls who are brought from India to Dubai for flesh thing, and there's one gal who has mustache. So he was sitting in the car at the airport, and when the plane landed, he's saying, "I hate mustaches." And one of the girls was so ugly that she was told by Zinat Aman to just return back. And one particular one gal who was wearing a pink suit, she was seated besides Big B, and he kind of developed some kind of feeling for her. He wanted her to escape this business, and he purposely pushed her from the van so that she will escape this dirty business. Otherwise, he was also involved in a lot of diamond smuggling and all that. And these three flourishing models were quite well off, and they even got away with the robbery. And there's also other characters. Gulshan Kowais was supposedly the stepbrother of Big B, and there is Javed Jafri. Seema Biswas has enacted the role of the maid like Bharti, and she has done a really good job. And there are few other characters. So the movie basically revolves around three models. But one thing I didn't like about the movie, they were so like, you can say, top models basically, but the way they used to converse was quite, unclassy. She's saying, Katrina, 24th on 24th English, instead of stating it in English, 24th he's saying chobis, like that. I mean, we need to pay particular attention these things, director especially. So what exactly happens is that they are given a big budget, three envelopes, and they are stationed in a island, unknown island, and the three envelopes are handed over to them, and they are having a gala time. Even Seema Biswas is seen just relaxing on the beach, and one of the Englishmen comes and just serves champagne, and she also is elated. Bottom line, the life of model is not as easy as we think. They have to toil, and wherever they have reached, it's because of their hard work and daily struggle which they carry on. But yeah, one thing, flesh trade is a very dirty thing, and the people who are involved in it, especially, we should dig deep into this matter as to why this still prevails when we know that it is wrong. If that kind of desperation is there, women are not commodity. Even if they are financially in need, the government has to chalk out plan for them so that they're not forced to take up this flesh trade. 4 stars.